with the problem recording courses, as you said here, teaching in front of a live audience is way easier than trying to record courses online. I've always said you record that first version of your course with people. You don't build the course first and then sell it. You sell it, then get people in so that you can record that first version with them. And after you have that first version done that you built with them, then you can go back and iterate and improve on that, because you'll create differently under an audience surveillance, right? Because you're going to adjust and work with the audience. It's not necessarily that people are learning different today. It's just that's the way you do it. It's not like a lot of people think, oh, well, no, you record the course first and then, you buy it and you sell it and all this stuff. But that's not how you do it, because you don't know how to adjust to the people and you don't know what they want. It's kind of like, think about it like this. That's like if you imagine going to a restaurant and when you sat down at the table, they just brought you a plate and set it in front of you and they're like, here, eat this and then pay for it. It's not like that. You go there, you sit down, they come over and they ask you, what would you like to eat? Then you cook it for them perfectly. Now, you already know the rules of cooking. You already know the ingredients that you're willing to offer, and you have a plan if they order anything. That's the blueprint. That's the understanding of what you are actually going to be sharing with people, and you've got those guidelines. But when it comes to actually, doing it and creating the course, this is where you're going to create an environment where they can ask questions or order the food. Then you cook it perfectly or to the best of your ability. Then you can go back later and learn from what you created there on how to improve it. So that first version, you want to sell like 20 to 30 people into the program. Then you can go work it with them. You have an outline of what you're going to be creating. You have a blueprint. You have a recipe. But then you're going to be cooking it with them, getting feedback in real time as you do it. Then you can go back on version 2 or 3 and you can start improving it. Then you can sell it. Then you can worry about the things that need to be there after that. But it's always built in an environment where you're together using the guidelines of what you're going to be teaching, and you have a recipe and an idea. But as you're cooking it with them, they might be like, a little more salt, a little more pepper, sugar, seasoning, whatever. That's how you build it, the way that it's really going to allow them to learn, and it's going to actually be built in a way that they can learn it. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions about that.